Good morning, and welcome to another building in Florida brought to you by Mighty House. So, as you can see, most of the beams are all formed up. So, there's plenty of steel up in the tops of those. They got to get them inspected before they can pour it all. Like we talked about before, you can see the holes at the bottom of the walls where the rebar is exposed. And those will actually, that's how the inspector can see the rebar going all the way up. We do cast in place columns for structural. The top there gives you an idea what the beams, the metal in the beams looks like. So we'll get this poured, they'll get it stripped, and then you'll be able to see exactly what it looks like. So if you have any questions about, anything you saw in this series, not a stairwell, elevator pit. So put elevators in most of the 2 stories. We do build for older people, so go figure. Anyway, we'll catch you next week after they pour this. Thanks.